Here I have KARBONN Aura, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use apps icon, scroll down, choose settings. Here you need to scroll down again and let's select here the date and time. It's under system. Here let's tap automatic date and time, and you can use the automatic date and time by using network, GPS, or you can choose off, and now you can set up manually. You can use the same thing with time zone. Now you can set the date. You can also change the time and select the time zone. If you would like to go back to the automatic configuration, let's just here choose the automatic switchers, and now you can use your device in a normal and automatic way of configuring your time. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.